So today I'm going to show you how you can use AI inside of Rankability to improve the quality of your content super quickly. So when you use Rankability, you're able to generate content with AI based on all of the research that we're doing on the top competitors for whatever that keyword is. Okay, so we go and analyze anywhere between 40 to 50 competitors, and then we extract all of the topics that they're covering, and then our AI actually identifies additional topics that are not being covered by the competitors, which then allows you to build really relevant content. But even then, you still want to treat this draft that's built as a first draft. It is your first draft, and it's going to need a little bit of finessing. Now, back in the day, you would need to have a human come in here and run quality assurance on it, improve it, and edit it. You can still do that, or you can just click on this AI tab. And so I want to show you what I went through very quickly just to improve this content. So there's basically the way you want to work this is you want to use verbs and really tell the AI what to do. Because whatever you tell the AI to do in this little chat window, it will actually go into the content and make those changes for you. So an example of this is the first one you can see here. I said that the table in this post only shows 6 alternatives, but the list shows 10. And I said the table should show the full 10 that are in the list, okay? So that was more of me just saying what needs to happen. I could have obviously turned that into more action-oriented language, but the AI still understood what to do. So then what it did is it went in here and you can see it actually added those additional competitors that were in that list. So they are now fully in there, and then the blue just highlights to show you where the change was made, okay? So that was the first thing, making sure we're correcting some issues. The next one is the intro and the first section were way too fluffy. So all of this content was pushing this way below the fold. So it went through, it cleaned it up, it condensed it, and it made it a lot more lean. So now it's a much better intro, okay? Very simple change. Then we got another one here where it actually had Rankability, that section that basically is promoting our tool, way up above here above the fold, which in a kind of a, let's call it middle of the funnel type of asset, you don't want to just be hitting the searcher over the head with hardcore sales message. And so what I did is I forced it to move that to the bottom as like the final call to action. And you can see that down here. You'll go ahead and see that it moved that whole section down here. And so once again, this is just a very simple way for you to improve your content. And keep in mind, just because we create good content initially, it doesn't mean it's over. And here's something that's really important about AI. A lot of people don't realize this, but the first version of anything that AI gives you, it doesn't matter whether it's content or code or a web page that it builds for you, that is not its best version. But the more you dig in, the more you finesse it, the more you work with it, the better it will become. And so within basically a couple minutes of work, I was able to make this piece of content significantly better. So take advantage of this new feature inside of Rankability.